Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful turtleneck lace, and I am using the shiny face here. I've already gone ahead to draw the basic body pattern, and I believe guys on it. So now I am taking the person's measurement and trying to get the armhole, and this is the neck. For being a turtleneck, I'm just using a very small size, 2.5 for the turtleneck. So guys, and the depth of it should not be more than 4 inches because it's a turtleneck and you wouldn't want it to be falling. So remember, this is the frontal part of it, and after we'll go ahead to connect the shoulder point, minusing as you all know. Then we'll bring the pattern master. So guys, the next thing I'm doing now is to get the armhole and arm point. As you know, you have to divide by 2, come in by half an inch, and also come 1 inch and more like a secondary tutorial because I'm not going to start from the scratch when I do other tutorials. So I'm connecting. So having done that, thing I'll be doing is to cut out the center part where I'll be adding the, and remember we'll be adding a nude net so that it looks so transparent, and I'll be taking from the neck down to 1 inch at the under bust so that it will not be too open and it's too wide. Remember, we are curving it in an oval shape, so I'll have to curve it in a slanty oval shape just like this. To make the work more, I'll go ahead to cut the excesses that it will be remaining just the basic body pattern. Make it clearer for us. Now the next thing I'll do is to get the dart point using a measurement of nipple to nipple of 4 inches. So guys, I'm using 4 inches because I'll be cutting them off, and of course you know I add going up to it. First I'm getting a straight line across the bust point, and I'll be coming in from the under bust to make it well fitted. I'll be 1.5 inches on both sides as usual, and after this we have to connect. To connect from the bust point to the under bust, just like we do normally when we are making a blouse. Okay, this, and guys, I changed my mind. I will be making it a princess, so I coming down 1 inch from the bust point. So I'll be connecting it from that 1 inch which I've already come down to where I measured my 1 inch out on 2 ways of the under. So remember, I'll be taking the line straight to the armpit for the princess that I'm taking it down waistline. See that it is already ending. Yes, I came out by 1 the waistline because my client's waist size is a bit bigger than the person than her underbust circumference, so that I made it so. And then from here to my bust line, yes, for the princess darts. And so guys, remember it's a turtleneck, so just from the neckline I am coming it out to the armhole, princess cut. But remember, adding a little bit to be able to join it, which is a ½ inch out. Just watch as I do it, so that when I join it finally, it is not going to okay. So guys, I went ahead to do the normal straight pattern, and then just to make it not to be confusing to you, and then I finally came out by ½ inch. Next is to cut. I'm starting from the center where I'll be putting the net, and then the neck line needs to cut. Okay, I'm cutting out the dart points. In fact, this dress, to achieve it, you have to pieces it. So guys, this is it. I'm done with the frontal part. I'll go ahead to cut the back side of it. So guys, I'll be using the normal lining for this dress. Remember, I'll be adding the lace to it, so I have the shiny face, the lining and the lace. I'll be using the normal lining to cut the back side for you guys to see. Remember, it's the basic body pattern as we normally do. Get the armhole, get the shoulder, get the armhole, and also the bust line, the under bust line, and the waistline, which are very necessary. And then you can also get the measurement of the person, adding your allowances. Do not forget to add your allowances. So from here, I'll go ahead to get the zip line where I'll be inserting. Funny enough, the way we cut the zip line is almost equivalent to the way we cut out that slit for the center. Okay, so guys, watch on and enjoy your view, and please guys, keep practicing. So guys, we'll try to do the before dipped in for normal turtleneck, which is what we are doing. And then for the darts, for the back darts, I'm taking it straight like I did for the front. So that is why you're seeing it's line here to connect, get that point there. You guys understand what I mean? Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and to get all the details in it. So guys, as you can see, I am trimming them out. So I'll be using this to cut out the shiny face, and I'll be using the shiny face for the front to cut out the lining, as well as the laces that will be overlapping it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay subscribed and stay tuned for more tutorials. Did you guys see the sketch she is putting on? The tutorial is coming up soon. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.